So, you want to be a better networker? Got you, friends. I'm Leigh Brown with One Community Real Estate, and I'm in my series right now of answering all the questions that y'all have submitted through Leigh Brown University or through my Kicktail Business Planning series. Now, networking sounds pretty much awful to a lot of people, kind of like going to the dentist or the DMV. It doesn't have to feel like that. The first thing you have to do is understand yourself. Are you an introvert or an extrovert by nature, not by chameleoning? I myself, if you do the Myers-Briggs test, am an INTJ, classic. Now, I chameleon very well because I have to. When you're getting to the space where you're learning how to chameleon, you've got to figure out how to nail networking so that you can grow your business and also grow your relationships. They're going to make your life better. Here's my first tip after you take your Myers-Briggs test. When you go to an event, take 5 business cards. That's it. Not 500, 5,000, or 5 million. You don't need a whole box of them. You need 5. Here's why. Often when we go to networking events, it's spray and pray, and people are taking cards and handing it to everybody, tossing them around. And where do they wind up? In the trash can, or maybe in the bottom of a bag, and they're lost to the dustbin of history. And so is your money, frankly, because good cards cost a little bit of money. I think of my 5 cards as the 5 new relationships I'd like to start. So before I hand a card to somebody, I want to have a conversation with them. I want to know something about what they're doing at that event. What are they looking to learn? How are they looking to grow? Maybe what can I provide as value back to them? Did I hear about their life, about their previous careers, about their kids or spouses or dogs, cats? Doesn't matter. The conversations do. So I'm looking for 5 great connections at every event. It allows me to be very focused, and it also means that my networking has value. Think about this. We often put everything in terms of quantity, but this goes right back to the heart of what will make your business strong, and that's quality. The second thing to remember about networking is which events you should go to, right? You should go to your industry trade shows and educational events, period. End of discussion. If you've been enjoying Zoom classes, great, but that's not enough. You need to get in person with people so that you can hear them. And by that, I mean body language and inflection, and also noticing all the little things that they do when they're trying to be heard and they haven't yet spoken up, which on Zoom, we often don't hear from a lot of really great, insightful people because it takes them a second to process. Plus, being in person, you get this amazing return on energy. So find out where the events are located, and if you want great tips on the ones that will be beneficial to your business, one of the best is coming up in March in Phoenix, and that's the annual celebration event, which is sponsored by the Residential Real Estate Council. Now, I'm a past president of CRS, so I volunteered there as well, but I got that designation in 2003 because I was on a mission to get better at real estate, which is all the tricks and tools I've learned from others that I feel obligated to return to you. So find the industry-specific things where you'll find like-minded people. And then, even more importantly, find something that you enjoy, because networking isn't always just about business cards. It's about long-term relationship building. So coming at you today from my idiot shirt. This is a race that happens here in North Carolina once a year, and we just had the 20th anniversary. And yes, I ran 19.7 miles on a Saturday morning in 30-degree weather. And what was the best part? It actually wasn't the run, it was the time spent with run friends, because I love the run community. Now, that has benefited my business over the years, but it's not why I do that. The networking matters on so many levels. Hopefully these tips have helped you become a stronger networker, or now you're ready to put a plan together. Drop in the comments if you need more, if you need some suggestions on events to attend, or if you want to know where I'll be, come hug my neck, because I'd love to network with you and make you one of my top 5. For more tips and information, hit subscribe, hit the bell. I'll see you next time and answer more of your questions. Okay, so if you found this valuable, just know that I have a whole online university full of modules to help you build a real estate business for success. It's called Leigh Brown University. You can do it in your yoga pants with a glass of wine, coffee, water at night, and it will help you get everything in the right direction so that you can operate your business like a business and not let it run you. For more information, click here and let me know how I can help.